Good morning, everybody. Today we will see the topic Centroid. That is most important topic as per the university syllabus. It has one question of 8 marks. So here we will start with a simple problem. Before of that, what is centroid? So centroid is nothing but the geometrical center of the given plane lamina. So given plane lamina, that means the body is in two dimension only. There are only x and y coordinates. So z coordinate, that was the thickness, that was very low or negligible. So that's why we can say that this is the plane lamina. So uh, for that plane lamina, we have to find out the center of that plane lamina. So that is nothing but the centroid, geometrical center of the body. So for the plane lamina, we can say the geometrical center and center of gravity both lies at the same point. So we have to find out the centroid, and we have to see method to solve the problem of centroid. So that was a simple problem. So stage 1 or step 1, we can say that every uh, intricate shape has made up of number of standard shapes. So we can find out centroid of the standard shape. So if directly intricate shape is there, then it is difficult to find out centroid of that. So the easiest method is to convert this diagram into the standard shapes. This is a rectangle and then triangle. There are two standard shapes. So the next stage or next step is draw the table that contain shape, then area of each shape. These are the standard shape. Area of each standard shape, x coordinate of each standard shape. Means if we consider that center of this rectangle is here and the origin is here, so x coordinate of that center, y coordinate of that center of standard shape. Similarly for the triangle. So x coordinate for the triangle, y coordinate for the triangle. Ax, that means the multiplication of a into x. Ay, that means multiplication of area into y. One thing we have to keep in mind that, or remember that, if given area is somewhat composition of shaded and unshaded part, then unshaded part we have to for the unshaded standard shape we have to consider area negative. For unshaded, area negative. So the shapes are first rectangle, second is triangle. Areas for these two. So here the total side base is given 8, this height is 6, and this distance is given 5. So for the rectangle we can say that the side is a 5. So for triangle, that we can say that this is 3 meter. So 5 into 6, that is 30 area of the triangle. Then x of the triangle, area of the rectangle is 30. X of the rectangle, we can say that this distance, that is nothing but half of the base, that is 2.5. Then y coordinate of the rectangle, that is nothing but half of the height, that is 3. Ax is 30 into 2.5, so that is 75. Ay is 30 into 3, that is 90. Similarly, for the triangle, the area of the triangle, half of base into height. So half of base is 3, height is 6. So that is nothing but 3, 3, 9. Okay, half of 6 into 3. What was the x distance for the triangle? So here is the x coordinate for the triangle. So up to that much, we know that the distance is 5, and after that, we know that distance is half of 1/3 of base. Okay, that was 1/3 of base. Base is 3, 1/3. That means that 5 plus 1/3 of base. Okay, so we can say 5 plus 3 cancel is 1, so that was 6. What is y? Y is nothing but the distance, that is 1/3 of height. Height is 6, so y is 2. So ax 9 into 2, that is 18. Sorry, 9 into 6. Ax is 9 into 6, that is 54. That is 54. And ay is 9 into 2, that is 18. So the stage 3, stage 2, fill up that table. Stage 3, find out the value of summation of a. That is nothing but 30 plus 9, 39. Summation of ax, that is 75 plus 54, that is 129. Then summation of ay, that is 90 plus 18, that is 108. Why we have to find out these summation a, summation ax, summation ay? Because the x coordinate of the whole lamina or whole shape, that is x summation of ax by summation of area. Similarly, y coordinate of the lamina, that is nothing but summation of ay by summation of area. So that means here the ax is 129 and summation of area is 39. So that is somewhat 3.308. The value is in meter. Then y coordinate is summation of ay, that is 108 by summation of a, that is 39. So that means 2.769. That value is in meter. Okay, that was the x and y coordinate of the center of whole plane lamina. Okay, that was the procedure of the centroid. First, divide into standard shape. Second, draw that table and fill up the values of that table. Third, find out the summation a, summation of ax, summation ay, and last stage, fourth stage, you have to find out the x and y by this formula. Summation ax by summation of area, that is x, summation ay by summation of area, that is y coordinate of the given shape. Okay, thank you.